Hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm Annalisa from Creative Curious Learning and Living, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing my Valentine's Day decorations and some cleaning motivation. If you are new here, I am a homeschool mom to 3, almost 4. Our 4th baby is due at the end of March, so we are getting super close. We're preparing for that. My other kiddos are almost 8, almost 3, and 5.5. So we're keeping busy over here preparing for baby, and I was hoping to get this video up a little bit sooner because Valentine's Day is pretty darn close, but it is coming. Hopefully this will give you some cleaning motivation and ideas to decorate your home last minute or for next year. Okay, and then this is the decor that I have pulled for this area that I'm going to be working on. I need to grab the pieces from Dollarama for the homeschool table. I'm going to be decorating over here. I've already put some pillows out. Moving right along to the other area that I will be decorating for today's video and for Valentine's Day. So this is a little table that actually folds out bigger. We got it off of Amazon. It's like our homeschool space where we can have some charts and have some fun decorations, and where we can do some independent work if we're not using our lap desks or sitting at the dining room table. And I just love this little space. And sometimes it becomes a clutter zone as we're in a hurry to get to the next thing, and I don't always put things away. And the curriculum piles up, especially in my tired state of almost having my 4th baby. So yeah, it got messy. Life happens and spots get messy, but you can tackle them, you can get them done. And yes, so off to the side as well in our entertainment center area is our morning basket and our all about reading binders, and then another bin where I wrangle like new books that are coming in or things that don't fit into our morning basket or other things that I'm hoping to put into our morning basket, and I'm going to go ahead and declutter that as well. I have not done morning basket this year as much as I've wanted to. I love morning basket, but just with the busyness of preparing for a new baby and just energy levels, it has not happened. So I'm hoping to bring that in soon again. But yeah, so putting some things back, getting things put away, and tackling the messes. So here I am tackling this space for a morning basket and just extra supplies. And I kept the decor pretty simple on this homeschool table, just a heart that says "You are loved" in blue, because I'm homeschooling my boys right now. I have 2 boys and a little girl and another boy on the way. So Yes, and then we have a little truck there, the little Valentine's Day truck that says Hugs and Kisses, a special delivery, their Lego dispenser, which is like their prizes, and then a little Walmart mailbox that I picked up this year that says Notes to the Teacher. I thought that they could ask me questions as they grow and as they, or just if they want to draw me a picture or say something or practice writing their words, that they could do that, and which is a fun little thing, and I think it looks really cute on here, and this can be decor for fall and other seasons. So now I am preparing the duck here. I got these Valentine's Day ducks from Dollarama. I was giving them to my daughter, and she was super, super excited. She's been loving the theme ducks since Christmas. So yeah, this was a very fun moment for us. Valentine's Day ducks for the win. We have lots of fun over here. Alright, so now I'm setting up these tic-tac-toe games from Dollarama. They're all felt. I had the gingerbread at Christmas, and I'm actually going to end up putting that one up again and just using some other felt hearts that I picked up at Dollarama as well. Because I picked up the heart and the cupcake this year, I was like, I feel like if I put both of these on the tower, I want to have another one on the other side to just complete it. So I decided to put the gingerbread out, and my daughter can decorate it with hearts and make it a Valentine's Day gingerbread. And my boys play with this too, obviously. They all love it. They think it's awesome. So yeah, I'm just taping it to our activity center or activity tower. And I just love the colors and the brightness on this. Super, super fun. And yes, I hope they keep bringing these out for all the seasons. There was also a Santa at Christmas, and we do have the pumpkin, which has like cats and I think other pumpkins on it. Yeah, it's super cute. So I'm excited to continue collecting these and having them in our homeschool and our home and our decor. Adding a little bit of fun to the decorations. And this one doesn't really make sense. It's more of a decorate the gingerbread for Valentine's Day. And when I'm all set up, my daughter is going to come over and play, and I'm going to show her all of the sides. She was watching me set it up, and she was just like so excited to come over here and play. Let me know down below in the comments, do you decorate for Valentine's Day and other holidays, or are you just I decorate for Christmas and fall and that is it? I know those are the typical days. I like to decorate and have fun with lots of different holidays. Okay, so this is going to finish up the video. I have vacuumed the couch. This is later at night, and I have put the pillow and I have the banner up there. And as you can see, we also left our garland from Christmas. I just didn't know where to put it, and I just kept it up there. But I think it looks really pretty, adds to the decor. But yeah, that is my clean and decorate with me for 2023. I hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I have more Valentine's Day content coming your way, and more homeschooling and cleaning motivation and all of the things in between. Bye for now.